This is Redmi Note 11 and today in this video I am going to testing slow-mo video on this smartphone. I am SHADAT from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. And by the way, I am already making Redmi Note 11 full review after 2 months. Video link in the video description and the I button. And Redmi Note 11 details camera review coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I am Shadat from Shadat's Dayout. Allah Hafiz.